Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Flinks, a new app that's been getting a lot of attention lately. Flinks is a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, budgeting, and saving. It's also a great way to get an overview of your financial health. But does Flinks work with international banks? That's the question I'm going to answer in this video. I'll also be discussing some of the pros and cons of using Flinks, as well as some alternative apps that you might want to consider. So, let's get started. What is Flinks? Flinks is a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, budgeting, and saving. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Flinks works by connecting to your bank accounts and credit cards. This allows you to see all of your transactions in one place. You can also set up budgets and goals and track your progress over time. Pros of using Flinks. There are a number of pros to using Flinks. Here are a few of the most notable. It's easy to use. The app is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. It's comprehensive. Flinks tracks all of your transactions, including debit cards, credit cards, and cash withdrawals. It's affordable. Flinks is free to use for basic features. There are also paid subscription plans available for more advanced features. It's secure. Flinks uses bank-level security to protect your data. Cons of using Flinks. There are also a few cons to using Flinks. Here are a few of the most notable. It's not available in all countries. Flinks is currently only available in a few countries, including the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. It doesn't support all banks. Flinks only supports a limited number of banks. It can be buggy. Flinks is a relatively new app, and it can sometimes be buggy. Does Flinks work with international banks? The answer to this question is yes and no. Flinks supports a limited number of international banks, but not all of them. If you're using an international bank, you'll need to check the list of supported banks on Flinks' website. If your bank is not supported, you won't be able to use Flinks. Alternatives to Flinks. If you're looking for a personal finance app that works with international banks, there are a few alternatives that you might want to consider. Here are a few of the best options. Mint. Mint is a popular personal finance app that supports a wide range of banks, including many international banks. Pocketsmith. Pocketsmith is another popular personal finance app that supports a wide range of banks, including many international banks. Inab. Inab is a budgeting app that helps you track your spending and save money. It supports a wide range of banks, including many international banks. Flinks is a great personal finance app that can help you track your spending, budgeting, and saving. However, it's not available in all countries and it doesn't support all banks. If you're using an international bank, you'll need to check the list of supported banks on Flinks' website before you can use the app. If you're looking for a personal finance app that works with international banks, there are a few alternatives that you might want to consider, such as Mint, Pocketsmith, and Inab. I hope this video has helped you answer the question, does Flinks work with international banks? If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. See you next time.